Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on iPad. Since The Sims 4 is designed for computers and consoles, it doesn't run directly on your iPad. To enjoy this popular life simulation game on your tablet, you'll need to use specific methods that stream the game to your device. This approach allows you to access the full PC version of the game, offering a complete experience. One effective way to play is through remote play, using an application like Steam Link. First, install Steam Link on both your personal computer, where The Sims 4 is installed, and your iPad. Make sure both devices are connected to the same local network. You can then stream the game from your computer to your iPad, using either touch controls or a connected Bluetooth controller for interaction. Another excellent option is utilizing cloud gaming services. Platforms such as GeForce now allow you to play The Sims 4 without needing a powerful local computer. The game runs on their remote servers, and the video feed is streamed to your iPad. This method requires a robust and fast internet connection, ideally with download speeds of at least 15 megabits per second, to ensure a seamless and responsive gaming experience. To maximize your Sims 4 experience on iPad, ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally using a 5 GHz band. This minimizes latency and improves visual quality. For enhanced control, consider pairing a Bluetooth controller, as touch controls can sometimes be less precise. Additionally, adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset to reduce the strain on your network and improve streaming fluidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.